Isa lang tanong ko. Commodore Tariela, you're now very, very famous kasi nakikita ka sa TV. Meron lang ako isang tanong sa inyo. Meron na yata kayo sinabi, mga Pinoy na kumakampi sa mga aksyon ng China, mga traidor sa bayan. Totoo ba yun? Meron ho kayo sinabing ganon?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Through Twitter.
Meron ba kayo pinatatamaan o meron ba kayong kilala na nagtatangkol sa mga aksyon ng China?
Wala naman po, Mr. Chair, in particular, but I'm just responding to some of the comments of
Tiglaw.
some,
Tama ba?
if he doesn't support the stand of the Philippine government in the West Philippine Sea, sir, we can say that he can be categorically belonging to that group, sir.
Without going into specifics, syempre, Commodore, anong intelligence meron kayo tungkol dito sa alleged treachery na ito? At may mga senyales ba na bahagi ito ng isang China state-sponsored disinformation campaign?
As far as the Philippine Coast Guard is concerned, ma'am, the only information that we have received is through our media friends, wherein some of those journalists that we know that supports the efforts of the Philippine government in the West Philippine Sea received emails trying to divert the attention and focus of the Filipino people instead of concentrating on the aggressive actions of China. They are diverting it to Vietnam. So for the Philippine Coast Guard, ma'am, that's the only information that we have.
And may sense ba kahit yung media friends ninyo na itong disinformation campaign ay state-sponsored ng China?
Based on my personal understanding, ma'am, of course, this kind of information operation will not be happening unless it's supported by a state actor.